We are twirling around because I found us the perfect house, darling.
Oh my, I'm getting dizzy. However did you manage it, Harold?
My dear, I went through Blue House properties, I tell you. And now I'm going to kiss you.
I can't breathe.
Sorry. Random scene change. Suddenly, we're in a car, see?
A new house for Valentine's Day is a wonderful idea. I'm looking for my true love, not you, a home.
I think we are falling for that house, Maud.
The lights went out, but I know we're in the right place, Elmer. Oh, it's brighter again. Oh, Percy, I'm so excited. It's the house we always dreamed of.
Oh, this is how happy we are.
Oh my, where did we learn how to dance on a professional level?
Doesn't matter, Matilda. Today we have seen what Blu House can do.
Yes, it's all here in black and white, Stanley.
What? You keep doing that with your face.